This is a Hunter 2-speed 20-inch box fan on a 11027. I got this fan at the flea market 5 or 6 days ago. I really overpaid for it, 35 bucks, but you don't see these Hunters, especially not in mint condition like this one is. This fan really could not get nicer. The paint's not scratched up, the grills are both perfect, it runs perfect. I guess the oil's still kind of working into it. It doesn't have as long of a coast down as I expect that it probably should. But that's fine. It'll work in eventually. This fan goes so far mint that it even has the original snap-on plastic feet on the bottom. That was very cool. Which when I got it, strangely, they were on the inside of the fan. They were like sitting in the bottom. So, I don't know what was up with that. Maybe someone took them off for it to fit in somewhere and didn't want to lose them. I don't know. But yeah, it's a really, really nice fan. This is basically a step up from an EXL box fan. This is the more expensive version, which of course is avocado green with the Hunter name. It's also got a thicker cabinet too. It's not, I guess EXLs are a little bit flimsy. This isn't. This is a very, very rigid fan. I'd say this thing's about the same thickness as a Lakewood box fan. It's just got a thinner, chintzier, single bar motor mount. This fan's got a really big motor in it. It's bigger than a Macmillan motor. It draws more amps too. But anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you for watching. And I hope all you guys enjoyed.